bite and tell you how it tastes. Hello all, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more amazing videos like this.
Today I'm going to be showing you a quick Italian snack that is called bruschetta. So first we have to slice our multigrain bread that I'm using right now. So like in large pieces like this. So I've sliced the bread. Now we will assemble it on our grill. So after assembling it on our grill, we have to take some olive oil and just drizzle it on top of the bread. So we need the following ingredients for the topping: 200 grams of cottage cheese, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons mixed herbs and 3 medium-sized tomatoes. So I will now chop the tomatoes into cubes. First into halves and then into quarters. First, take the cottage cheese, break it, and just press it between your fingers so it has like a crumbly texture. All pieces should be small. Then add the second one and do the same thing with it. So after that, we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add the pepper, salt, and add half of the mixed herbs, not all of them, and mix it all well using a wooden spoon. The basil is actually for the garnishing, so that's why I'm not adding it right now. After taking them out of the oven, the bread is really crispy. We'll just wait for 5 minutes for it to cool down, then add the topping and the garnishing. So now after 5 minutes we will put the topping. So just take a spoonful of it and just add a little bit more. It looks really nice actually. Now we're gonna top it with all of the filling. So I've topped them all with the topping. So I've topped them all with the topping. Now it's time for garnishing them. So just take a little bit of the fresh dry basil and just put it on top of all of the bruschettas. And also add the rest of the seasoning that I told you to save for on all of them, just like we did with the basil. Now we will just add a dash of oil to all of the bruschettas. There we go. So our bruschettas are ready. Especially the bread is so crisp. I'm going to just have a bite and tell you how it tastes. So after hearing the sound, you know it's really crispy and yummy because of the basil. It's so delicious. It just takes it over to the top. Try this recipe and have a bite. Bye bye.